mijn microfoon.
Ja gut, jetzt lassen wir sie hier oben, schauen mal. Sie überlebt, dann gehen wir morgen wieder schauen. He?
Oh, he's my baby doggy.
Brought in the new shelves, and I also just made some space here and stuff. Okay, hold on.
Ah!
Oh shit, it's on. Oh my god.
Switch it off. Go. No, don't touch it anymore.
So I was just downstairs with Juss in the basement and cut the upper board because it was too long. But I'm now trying to figure out which height I want everything to be, and it's really cool that it's like with those bars, because you can just put it where you want and you can just add stuff. So I'm just gonna experiment around a little bit. Yay, move to the side so the video can see it.
Front of it.
Feet are on the dashboard, my eyes on the road.
And of course I have a laundry, so. Oh, it looks nice quality. This is my outfit.
Sleeping on my shoulder, dancing in a dream. Feels like getting older, ain't as scary as it seems. When you're sleeping on my shoulder, dancing dancing in a dream. It feels like getting older. With you is one. Straße, aber wir sind keine Gangster. Frische Luft in der S-Bahn. Steiger mit den Brüdern und den Schwestern. Alles ist gut, ich hoffe, dass sich nichts verändert. Merk ich niemals die. Ja, diese Scheine machen mich reich. Meine Crew dabei, ich bin nie allein. Überall fliegt der Nacht das sein. Was bringen Klicks, wenn
Waiting outside your door. My dad and I built this like 5 years ago. I left a note for if we ever remove it, and it's really cute. Good luck in life. So
you say I'm useless, I think do this. Why you struggling with me? Who's this? You've been through this. She ain't no like me. And I've been
upon a time my soul I found justice. We tried to find our way around it. Trying to make my soul I found justice.
Ce soir, on a le gâteau avec un ganache au chocolat. Et notre chef, Juss, prépare ce dessert extrême, délicat,
La montagne du chocolat.
déconstruit au chocolat.
You can also add like coconut.
Oh, sur la montagne. Très bien. Parfait. C'est le plateau au chocolat neigé. I want to say a huge thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I've worked with them a bunch of times in the past and they're a big supporter of this channel. Skillshare is an online learning community where you can find tons of really cool classes for all your creative needs. For me, I also like to see it as my little corner of the internet where I can find all the wisdom I need to expand my creative toolset and knowledge. And just learn stuff, man. It's the place to be. This month, I'm planning to take a class to learn how to do block prints like this one taught by artist and designer Amelie Mancini, so that I can make personalized stamps to decorate packaging for my soon-to-be launched online shop. The first 1,000 people to use the link in my description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership, and after that, it's only around $10 a month. Bro, you're in the shot, right? I know. Okay. Just spent the last half hour planning my week/month. It's a busy one. On the plan today is to redo the office and just like set up a good space to work in, because as you— Yes! I'm just excited. Okay. Time to make a plan for the office.
I tried in SketchUp, but it did not work, so I'll maybe put it
We
in
should
my
do
desk.
colorful ones, so it's like card. Our office just looks very horrible. You cannot work in there.
I swear I cannot work. Like, I hate working.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Ye second album, beta and alpha. I'm bravest. I take to the stage and I spout loud, invading the game with a name out. All the haters finally let it play out. All the babes go crave out protect. Already wildin'. I just skipped the 4 or 5 and she fed me all lies. So I fed her the truth. She ain't really worth it. Cut her off like a curfew. Summer 17 got the beats and the herb too. Rips in my jeans flow iller than the bird flu.
Hi everyone, this is the Nature Studio. So
HQ.
I don't really want to work with her, but this is our new company we're starting. So
We don't really want to start it, but it's happening.
so yeah, we just rented this apartment in this bad town, and now we got this cheap ass room, and this is our HQ.
Talk shit, nah homie, you ain't got the nerve to.
I'm looking at Art Studio Inspo board I've been working on for years. To just see how I want to organize my art supplies and also our camera stuff. We also finished sorting all of our stuff into categories so I can kind of imagine the sort of storage we need, which is really cool. So I just grabbed one of these on IKEA. Excited.
I know it never changed, just the interface. That mean the glow up. I will never grow up. Concrete go up, that's what happened when I blow up. Late night microphone blessing. Late night my girl she texting. Off-white type I be dressed in. Hit the top floor, then the roof for the view, see it. We just getting used to freedom. For once kicking back with my feet up. Whole squad just hit re for the re-up. New city living, fuck the city limits. Get 'em. Re getting hype off of instrumentals. Get 'em. Me and XG getting sentimental. Get 'em. Roll with the loud, call that heavy metal. Trying to make $1 for the college. Make deposits on 'em. Trying to make that cheese, no cottage. Make that cheese on 'em. And I think I'm falling for a goddess.
Sounds like if people would touch them.
I am late and I don't have a microphone.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby, won't you tell me, do you love me?
Where's the middle? And nice. Perfectly.
Yeah, we can do that after.